Alright, a little more progress. Got the trunk cut off. All has been good up till this point. Finally, need a new blade. It was doing good up till now. There's just a few spots that were chipped out, but heck, it was still cutting really good. So it hit some flexible metal and caught it and eventually bent the sucker. I don't know. I didn't think it'd last that long. But, anyways, more strength of a car. If you're ever curious where the actual strength of the back end is, and this is just before where the actual springs ride. This right here, this was what was there. You could actually see there's not a whole lot of strength to these, but that's where everyday is. But I guess if you try to do some jumping, that's when they'll probably bend. But anyways, alright, now we're gonna probably cut this sucker right in here and take her on over. See how thick and coarse that is. Probably all the same as this. Gotta have strength to hold the car, especially when you jack it up there in the front and hold all that weight. When you got about 500 pounds or so of motor and tranny and all that stuff, so. Okay. The back seat. And the hood. But as you can see, I'm not doing this in a whole lot of room. But the car's actually really light right now. No weight in the back. So, alright, I'll let you know when I got more progress.